Hello, today we are going to read Beat the Kitty Wash Your Hands by Kimberly and James Dean. Please like and subscribe. Wash your hands, says Mom. Okay, says Pete the kitty. I'm done. Pete's hands are not clean. I'll help you, says Bob. Watch me. Turn on the water, Bob says. Then wet your hand. Splash. Scrub your hands with soap. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Rinse your hands with water. Splash. Then dry your hands. Rub, rub, rub. Now you try it, Bob says. Splash, scrub, splash, rub. Ta-ta, says Pete. Great job, says Bob. We must wash our hands many times a day, says Bob. When? Asks Pete. Wash your hands after you play. Splish, scrub, splash, rub. Wash your hands when you throw trash away. Splish, scrub, splash, rub. Wash your hands before you eat. Splish, scrub, splash, rub. Wash your hands after a treat. Splish, scrub, splash, rub. Wash your hands when someone is sick. Splish, scrub, splash, rub. Wash your hands if you must have a pick. Splish, scrub, splash, rub. Wash your hands if you sneeze, cough or blow. Splish, scrub, splash, rub. And please wash your hands after you go. Splish, scrub, splash, rub. I've got it, says Pete. Thank you, Bob. Have fun, Bob says. Splish, scrub, splash, rub. Did you wash your hands? Mom asks. Yes, Pete says. Keeping clean is good.